How to change camera control button on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, you'll find buttons and gestures. Click on buttons and gestures. In here, you'll find all these options. Double click the power button. After you double click the power button, you will find option for camera in here. Simply click on camera. After you select camera in here, if you double click the power button, your camera will open up in this way directly. And this is how to change camera control button on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.